Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this nightstand. This piece uses Walker Edison's new Easy Assembly premium technology, which means the drawer box comes pre-assembled, so no tools required. It'll also reduce the assembly time by 90% and should take about 5 minutes to assemble. Next we'll attach the feet, which are the legs that have the pointier end. These will screw into the bottom. Once those are all tight, we can set that aside. And we'll take this top piece here and flip it over. And then we'll put in the middle legs here. Now with those two pieces done, we can flip this part over. And we'll rest this piece on top. Just make sure that the angled edge is towards the front. Rest it on top, and then we'll take our thumb screws and put those in through the inside. And with these, it can be helpful to just get them part way in on all of the legs, and then once they're all in, you can tighten them completely. Now we can set this part aside and move on to the drawers. And once the handles are on, we're good to put them into the sliders. And with these ones, just put the wheels over and then under into the rails. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new nightstand. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.